When you rule your mind, and this is why you want to train your mind to think straight, you rule your world. Many people try to rule their world from the outside, but that's the equivalent of getting out of the car and grabbing the tires and trying to steer the car from the tires. That's not where you steer it from. You've got to get in the driver's seat and turn the car from the steering wheel. The steering wheel for your life is your mind. When you rule your mind, you rule your world. When you choose your thoughts, you choose results. It's time to accept 100% responsibility for your life. Everything that is there because of an invitation that you gave to it.